Coco's gonna get a haircut? You wanna go? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Happy Sunday. So Coco is on this way to go get groomed and we are heading to the beach. We're gonna go to the Blvd State Park. So let's see. First we need Starbucks. We got a grande nitro cold brew. This, if you want to wake up, like we share this between the two of us, if you want to wake up, because I don't even think they can sell a size bigger than a grande for the nitro cold brew, because that's how intense it is. If you want to wake up, this will get you nice and woken. Okay, so now we're on to our next stop. We're going to Tomorrowland Miami. We've never been there before, but we heard they have some Knaus Farm chicken and waffles. So, but it's not really waffles, it's like chicken and cinnamon bun. It's the Knaus Farm cinnamon buns are like very popular in Miami. They're pretty like, I mean, everybody loves them. Like they're a big deal. But people waiting in 3 hour long lines to get them. If I'm not mistaken, this might be the last weekend that they're selling them. So Knaus closes during the summer. So basically, this is our last chance to get it, and we have not had one the entire year. So time to get some brunch and maybe some mimosas. This is it, the Knaus Farm cinnamon roll with a fried chicken topped with bacon, bourbon, maple syrup, and fresh berries. It's their version of chicken and waffles. Got a Bloody Mary, got a mimosa, cheers. Ding. Here we got the Sinner. Looks beautiful. That Knaus Farm cinnamon roll. Is it good? So good. Coco came back from getting his haircut and look how handsome he looks. Wow, look at you. You look so handsome, Coco. He's not happy. He's not happy about it, but he looks cute. The next thing for our Sunday adventures is cue the music. Finally, after a year of waiting. So we're ordering a pizza for watching Game of Thrones tonight. But at least I made a salad, so it's like balance, right? That's how balance works.
Little cups of grease.
So delicious. I don't remember the last time we ordered pizza, but it's literally been...
Was it in LA?
Like
no,
probably...
Pizza in LA.
No, but pizza here at home. It's here! Yes, press play. Do it. It's happening.
You ready, Coco?
Coco's here. He's gonna watch.
It's like, I love the dire wolf.
Uh-oh, we're signed out. What?
I was trying to watch it.
Okay, let's try this again. What? Okay, it's happening. Dun 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 dun. All right, it's a Tuesday. For some reason we're watching indie covers on Spotify, and someone's been very busy at work making
sauerkraut.
Homemade sauerkraut.
Yep.
So you just finished like putting a lot of salt all over the cabbage, right?
Right.
And then the water comes out, and then you have to like preserve it in these little jars. I actually ordered these online from was it Amazon?
Amazon, yeah.
Yeah. There's this like block that you put in that's like the heavy thing to keep it down.
To keep it down.
Such a weird process. You've done it what, like 4 times now?
Yeah.
So you're getting better every time.
I think so.
Now it's making more sense.
Well, now I'm also trying different flavors. So each jar is gonna have something different to it, different spices.
Mmm. So what's the flavors in this one?
This is Szechuan peppercorn.
Oh. So it's gonna be kind of sweet?
I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, we don't know.
Oh, yeah.
We'll find out in like, what, how long does it take again?
3 weeks.
We'll find out in 3 weeks.
I've got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns.
Sunny's eating her pebbles. Ooh, someone's cooking. So this is the new grill. Oh, look at all the fingerprints it's got already. Gotta clean it. I gotta shine it up.
Gotta shine it.
But this is like the second day we've had this, so
yeah.
Making steak.
Today we're trying to stake out.
Stakeout time. For this fancy fans.
Right.
So I took my plant out so that it could get some sun, because this is like one of my indoor plants and I feel like it needed some love. So it's gonna get some sunshine, and Coco needs some sunshine, right Coco? Let's go. I've got some Easter goodies for my students. So basically, all these eggs have different stuff inside of them. Some have $1 in quarters, and some have a little rolled up paper that says special prize, and if they get the special prize option, then they get to come over here. I'm the Easter Bunny.
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hopping, Easter's on its way.
Alright, we're making keto versions of gnocchi using almond flour. We're about to boil it for 30 minutes here,
30
and then
seconds.
30 minutes, oh my god, 30 seconds. We just made this with almond flour and mozzarella cheese and egg and baking powder. We froze it, and now we're putting it into the boiling water.
I don't want to put them all in.
He said like a quarter at a time. So 30 seconds in the water. So we're having a little bit of an issue. I think either it's because the pan is not the best pan and it's starting to get stuck to the bottom, or something else is wrong.
Oh no.
Oh
That's
no.
It. We're not having gnocchi tonight.
No. So this didn't work out very well. That's what happens when we try to experiment. So we ended up putting some into the air fryer, and these actually kind of worked out. So I think all hope is not lost. And then these are the ones that kind of they look weird, but you know. So the idea behind this was to make pasta carbonara, but with gnocchi, but on top of that, with keto gnocchi. So it kind of worked out. It's a little odd, but it actually does taste good.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like,
The dough's a little grainy.
yeah, the dough, obviously it's almond flour, so it's a little grainy. What do you think, Coco? So we're about to film an unboxing for Universal Yums. This month we're traveling to Israel, so I will link that video up above. We probably, I mean, obviously when this vlog gets posted, it would have happened already, so check it out. All right, so someone's up to something again. Someone's always up to something. This time, he has a popcorn machine. It's a popcorn popper.
Yeah.
But instead he's using it for coffee beans to roast them, which
Let's go for it.
is interesting. So I can't wait to see how this works.
It's much quicker than that hand thing I was using.
I want to try it with popcorn next time. Hey Coco! Hey Coco! Hey Coco! So now like the skin of the coffee beans are coming out through here. The shaft. as you would say. You can kind of see in there. That is so cool. How long does it take?
Like 3 minutes.
Alright, so they're starting to crack. And they're starting to look brown. And they're getting crazy. Oh god. I'm telling you, he's always up to something.
That looks like a nice medium.
Wow, that looks crazy. It smells beautiful. You know, open your new bark box? Come on. Hold on, I gotta take the wrapper out. Go. Okay, side note. This kombucha, it is jalapeno kiwi cucumber from the Health Aid brand of kombucha, is so good. I feel like this will make a great cocktail. I know I shouldn't be thinking about a cocktail when I'm drinking kombucha, but I do. Jalapeno kiwi cucumber, try it. It's like refreshing and like, oh, so good. We're here at Delray Beach. We just got here and the band is playing tonight at Tin Roof. There's a festival going on here. What's it called?
I don't know if it's a festival,
Smoking Chicken Festival or something.
Celebration of...
It's 420.
420, yeah.
So the band's playing for 4 hours straight with no breaks. So this is like...
Oh my god.
It's gonna be interesting. You're gonna have to pee in a cup. But let's see. It should be an exciting venue night or whatever. Are you the most handsome good boy? Are you the most handsome? Wow. I love you. Okay, bye-bye.
Instead of sitting on the couch trying to find our next line, I'm sure there's gotta be a better use of my time. I'm figuring out which one of them banks I'm gonna go around. Girls be looking like they be fine. I'm paying